My name is Attia Hussain. I've been a practicing emergency medicine physician for about 12 years. I started getting into learning about aesthetics for the last 4 or 5 years, I would say. Definitely hope over the next several years to have a aesthetics practice and transition out of emergency medicine and just do that as my primary profession. So in the past, I've done some training with neurotoxin as well as fillers, and it was not what I expected. I expected to walk out of the class and have a comfortable understanding of the procedures, and it was inadequate. I felt like I knew the education part of it, but I didn't have much hands-on training and didn't feel comfortable even injecting afterwards to practice those procedures. Yeah. Somebody's face, and you just don't want to just go in there not knowing what you're doing. So today we went through so many different things, not only just the procedure itself, but so much about aesthetics in general. And I feel like what I've learned and accomplished in this 8-hour day today far exceeds what I've done in the last 4 to 5 years with the other trainings I've had. It's absolutely phenomenal, and I can't thank you enough. It's been trying to hold back for the last 4 to 5 years, and now finally getting to that point where, wow, I feel like I'm at the gate to start my goal. That was absolutely amazing and exceeds my expectations way beyond what I thought I was going to get here.